Hi, my name is Shalini Gautam, and I'm from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. I'm working in Pune into HR, so human resources. It is into I'm working in the VFX industry. So that's about my professional background. About myself as a person, I am kind of a person who loves meeting people and spending time with them. I am a person who will like to spend time with myself more and more, and that is what I keep doing on the weekends also. So it gives me a space wherein I can explore myself. I can have the experiences within myself, so that I can be with the people. When I'm with the people, I can use those experiences, because my long term goal is to be a life coach, which I've already started working on. And these experiences give me those states wherein I can be with the people in those states and enjoy that conversation with them. So that is what I like doing.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much. So, how has been your experience with Rhythma so far when you started NLP, and what all changes you have gone through after doing it?
Okay. So this is an amazing question, because I've done my NLP new code with Rhythma. So that was in the year 2023 July batch, and so I did my new code. I got done with it, the same place for 5 days. But I was not in touch, not in sync with Rhythma for quite a long time. But somehow, I was my signals were placed in such a way that unconsciously it was working. Though I was not working consciously, but my unconscious was working and supporting me. So though I was not in touch with Rhythma for quite a long time, but now I know that my unconscious has a rapport with my conscious, and that is why I'm here again, to have that connection with her, and so that I can serve the people better.
Nice. Thank you very much. So, how are you planning to take the NLP journey forward from here on?
There are a lot of courses which are coming in, and I want to keep doing those courses and refine my skills. So NLP has been a game changer for me, and it was a groundbreaking experience for me, doing NLP, visualizing, seeing, feeling those shift within myself. So it has been a very good journey so far, and I want to keep it in a way that I keep exploring NLP, because every time it is different. So I want to keep exploring it, so that I can have my own states differently, and I can have the unconscious rapport with my consciousness.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much for answering that. So, what are 2 to 3 things that has changed in your life, professionally or personally, after doing NLP?
Okay. So professionally, I have seen myself. I had many targets for myself. So I was not able to achieve them earlier. But after doing NLP, I know how to do it, what to do it, when to do it, where to do it. So that has changed after doing NLP, and it is so quick. I'm able to manage so many things at a time right now, and it is doing wonders for me right now, both professionally and personally. And professionally, I've seen that growth in my own, I'm getting promotions, or getting increments. So of course that is there, but the things which I want to do, I want to achieve as a person. So earlier it was just my office, but now I'm also getting into life coaching business. I'm also getting into corporate trainings. I'm also working as an HR consultant also to the companies right now. So so many things, I'm able to do it at the same amount of time. So that has changed professionally. Personally, if I talk, I have been I'm making good relations with people. That fear of losing them, or I used to be angry, anxiety was there. So I'm losing all these unresourceful states, and I'm getting more and more resourceful states right now.
Perfect. Thank you very much for answering that. So, one last question to you. How would you recommend Rhythma as one of the coaches for NLP, and what newer version you have experienced or seen in yourself after doing it?
Okay. So I would definitely say that Rhythma is the best for NLP. She's the only person who's doing new code NLP in India. So I'll definitely recommend her to whoever who wants to do NLP. and the newer version of, like, you know, I have seen those changes in Ridhima also. I have been following her so much that, you know, I can see that change in her, and that is what unconsciously I'm also kind of taking it from her, and that changes are happening in me also. So that, you know, that rapport is so strong right now, that shift which is happening in her is also happening in me. So I think she's the best, and I definitely recommend people doing new code with her.
Okay, thank you very much. That was it.